Today, we will learn how to find prime factorization of 18 by factor tree method. Also, we will see how to express it in index form. Start dividing 18 by the smallest prime 2. Since 2 divides 18 exactly, we get 9. Observe 2 is a prime number. So, this branch ends here. Again, start dividing 9 by the smallest prime 2. Since 2 does not divide 9 exactly, move to the next smallest prime 3. Since 3 divides 9 exactly, we get 3. Observe, both branches end with the prime number 3. So, the prime factorization is complete. Now, collect all the prime numbers at the ends of the factor tree. In this case, they are 2, 3, and 3. So, the prime factorization of 18 is 2 multiplied by 3 multiplied by 3. This can be written as 2 multiplied by 3 to the power 2. This is the index form. Got it? Thank you for watching. If this video found useful, please like, share and subscribe to my channel. Thank you.